Welcome back to the topic Microservices and Centralized Logging. Today we will discuss how to make secure communication among Elastic nodes as well as how to make HTTPS communication with the browser. I mean, whenever you are accessing any of the REST, that must be secured, that must be accessed over HTTPS instead of HTTP. Here we have assumed that we have three node cluster, node 1, node 2 and node 3, and we'll configure the secure configuration will be done, and I will discuss that configuration only. Requisite, remember that Elasticsearch expect security must be enabled. If you don't know how to enable it, then you can check my other video. And key store and trust store certificate must be created or available, and it can be created. You can create it. There are standard documentation in Elasticsearch website, or you can have your organization certificate so that you can use it. So first we'll discuss that configuration, secure configuration among Elasticsearch nodes. You need to make the following changes inside your Elasticsearch .yaml. So expect security must be enabled true, and apart from that, if you see that you need to provide your SSL enabled, that is another thing, and then you need to provide your uh, uh, this is a key name. It should be either JKS or PTL format. You can create a security folder inside your configuration directory of Elasticsearch, and then you can put in that particular file. And this is optional. If you require to open access that particular key store file with password, then you need to mention the password as well. Same for trust store and trust store password. This is a simple configuration you need to make and restart your Elasticsearch. Next, we will discuss how to make HTTPS communication between Elasticsearch and the web browser or the client to access REST APIs of Elasticsearch. So here, uh, here you need to put that particular code snippet inside your Elasticsearch.yaml. Here, if you see that you need to enable that expect security HTTP SSL enable true, and the rest of the things are same. That the same certificate will work also for secure communication in between the nodes. So we are using the same key store and same password, trusted and trusted password, and put some additional configuration which you can refer in that Elasticsearch documentation. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Thanks for watching. This video is a part of a video series based on the topic microservices and centralized logging. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe the channel.